How to get the Valentine's Day frame on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to get the Valentine's Day frame with a heart on your profile, here is what should be done. First of all, head over to your TikTok application and launch it. Once that is done, log in into your account and tap on the profile on the top right corner. Once you tap on it, type in Valentine Day frame. Once that is done, scroll down to find a profile having the frame already. After tapping on their picture, tap on the heart which is on their profile picture and tap on Get Frame. Then you reach to this another page from where you can see different options that you can get. In order to receive the frame on your profile, here are the steps that you need to follow. First of all, you need to add a song to your favorite by spinning it. Tap on Add to Favorites button. Once that is done, the step 1 is completed. Likewise, the step 2 would be sharing the favorite song with other people. In order to do so, tap on the share icon which is on the top right corner, just on the left or the three dots. Then after scroll down and send the video or the song to the other person. Now, step 3 would be remind the person who received your song once they add it to their music app or favorites and create a post, then the both of you can get the rewards and have the frame on your profile. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.